For 22 years, Roman Polishchuck has entertained crowds around the world with his performances in Cirque de Soleil. Today, you will not find him on stage, but if you have a leak in your home, you might end up calling him to fix it. Fox 5's Cecil Anderson shows us.
Well, I did acro sports since I'm a kid, since I'm 7 years old, and when I hit 16, I became in the national Ukrainian acrobatics team. And after silver world champion in China in 1994, I got silver, and they saw me in championship, and they was hiring the qualified artists for the creating new show, which was being based in Canada, Montreal. And when I was there, so it was for 23 years with the company since then. And I've done lots of shows. I've done 5 shows with the Cirque de Soleil. I did 23 years, traveled twice around the world. And after when the pandemic hit, I come back to Las Vegas. So when I was in Vegas, it was March 17 last year. I was wondering what next I can do, because we was waiting news from the circus, but nothing happened, and because all the show had been canceled because of pandemic. So a friend of mine, he working here, and he said, well, you want to try climbing? Well, since I'm a kid, I was always wondering how to fix stuff at home. So I was always going around and learning how to fix stuff at home and do some of my own repair centers, because I saw when something broken in the house and the plumber will come, they will fix it and make me happy. So I would say, why not? I should try to do plumbing. So I went to the Goettl and I started to do plumbing here with this company. What I brought from the circus is just, by nature, I'm flexible, and so some areas it's really hard to get it. I can go under the sink, I do splits, I go there because I can reach it there from that way, because going under sometimes I'm too big for it, for those little tiny spaces. Plus of that, I like that with plumbing, because when you go home and you fix problem for the people are happy. So when I was on the stage, I've done the same things. I go make people happy, because this is what I've been learned and trained all my life, be on the stage and make people happy.